everyone, it's Brittany here with Alinari Experience, and today come with me as I do my morning walkthrough of the butterfly garden to make sure everything's a-okay for tourists to come and visit, and there's not any little like trees falling or anything like that, or any holes inside the netting. While we're doing that, I'll tell you and answer the question that we often get: are all butterfly species endangered? Let's go. Now, in response to that question, are all butterfly species endangered? That all is very all-encompassing. I don't ever want to say that 100% of something or all of something or every of something is going to be the same. Different species of animals are different. There's multiple different species in the butterfly family. So to use that word all to encompass all of that is really a lot. But there are many species of butterflies that are facing significant threats and declines. Some of these species are listed as stable, while a few are actually increasing in population, which is good. And those butterfly species that are increasing in population are either the butterfly species that people haven't really encroached on, like they live in really rural areas, really wild areas, kind of like the Peruvian Amazon jungle, where there's not a whole lot of human encroachment, and not even human encroachment, it's more human modernization, I guess is a better word, where we're deforesting and just ripping out the native habitat for butterflies left and right to make way for people advancements. That's a better, I feel like, way of saying that. Or those butterfly populations that are also increasing are the ones that humans have highlighted as, hey, this is a substantial butterfly species that we really need to protect because they are a very high keystone species of an animal. So like the monarch butterfly, they're very rare, very cool because they do that huge big migration. Most butterfly species do not do that. So that's like a really unique butterfly species that is kind of like, I feel like, the spokes butterfly species for butterflies. Like everybody knows the monarch. There's a ton of research on them, a ton of habitat restoration projects going on for them. So that's going to be another example of those butterfly populations increasing, but actually due thanks to people. Now, many factors are going to contribute to a butterfly's decline, such as, we've already kind of touched on this a little bit, habitat loss, degradation, agriculture, climate change, pesticides, invasive species, and actually mowing your lawn. So for us in the United States, it is very frowned upon to have an unkept yard. If your grass is super tall, the leaves are not raked up, etc., etc. Basically, in the United States, we don't want our yards to look like a jungle, essentially. We want them to be nice and clean cut. But that actually is going to be to the detriment of not only butterflies, but a lot of different species, including the really cool fireflies. Going off on a little side tangent here, fireflies, their larva stage is actually going to utilize all that leaf litter on the ground. So if you want fireflies to continue to be around for the next generation, you're definitely going to want to leave some of that leaf litter on the ground so those fireflies in their larval stage can actually then grow to become the amazing and beautiful and so cool firefly. So ways you can help is going to be plant native host plants in your area, promote sustainable agricultural practices, do not use pesticides, participate in No Mow May. So for, again, those of you guys that live in the United States, I don't really know about the rest of the world, but in the United States, we have a thing called No Mow May, where basically it's, as it says, it encourages you to not mow your lawn or take care of it in any way, shape, or form other than just watering it in the month of May, because May is going to be our springtime in the United States, and that is when it's a very crucial time of the year for not only butterflies, but a variety of different bug species that really are going to utilize and benefit from your yard. And not even just bugs, but birds as well, that are going to utilize like the tall grasses, and rabbits. They're going to utilize that tall grass area to help hide their babies. So May is just a really good month to just skimp out on the yard work. Who needs a better excuse than not pull weeds, not mow your lawn, than for conservation? Like, I would gladly, grasp with the chance to not do yard work. So there you go. We provided it for you. No mow May. Also, you can help promote butterfly important conservation messages. So not just with butterflies, but with any sort of animal out there that needs help conservation-wise, one of the big things you can do is support them on social media, like their content, make comments, interact with them, absorb that message. So when it comes up in conversation with you guys, you can then share that information with other people as well. All of your friends, share those posts out there on social media. That really does do a lot in helping spread the word as far as that goes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as you walked around with me. I only saw the one falling banana tree, which it's already on the ground and it's not like weirdly up anywhere. So we are good to go. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Bye for now.